The new iOS 7 version of software for your iPhone looks like a completely different phone. But while some things change, some things remain the same. And the iPhone is still the easiest smartphone to use, and it's a wonderful experience. In this video class, we're going to go through the basics of using your iPhone, but I'm going to give you some awesome tricks that will amaze your coworkers, even your grandkids. So as we get started on this video series, I want you to know that you have lifetime access to this course. So come back anytime. You might want to review some of the tips and tricks that I give you, and you can watch these videos over and over again if you'd like. You can also pause the videos and rewind just in case you kind of miss something but you don't want to go through the entire video again. That's what's great about these online videos. You can pause, play, fast forward, rewind, and get the information that you need. I'll also have some PDF handouts that you can print out and some other resources for you. So let's get started learning about the iPhone with iOS version 7.